Ndewonu. Today we're looking at rodents, and these are rats, but we're looking at the bigger rats, the ones that are much more bigger than rats. The first one we have here is ebinche. Ebinche, this one eats cassava in the farm. Osa, we see these ones on trees. They climb trees. Osa. And this is ururu. This one eats watermelon in the farm. Ururu. So why I brought this topic out is because so many persons have been asking, why is it this animal ururu always associated with ururu mapuru, tying wrapper? So this song was usually sung to ridicule a thief, to disgrace a thief who was caught stealing from the farm. Go.
Ururu mampuru ndile, ndile, ndile gebi babara. Ururu mampuru ndile, ndile, ndile gebi babara. Ururu mampuru ndile, ndile, ndile.